Welcome to Top 5 Choice. The best grill heat plates is probably one of the most essential yet often overlooked components for maintaining optimal grilling performance, ensuring your food cooks evenly and your grill operates efficiently, preventing flare-ups and protecting the burners from grease and debris, ultimately extending the lifespan of your beloved barbecue and guaranteeing delicious results every time you fire it up for a cookout with friends and family. Number 5. X-Home Heavier Heat Deflectors for Weber Genesis 300. Ensure your Weber Genesis 300 series grill, specifically models with front-mounted controls like the E310, E320, E330, S310, and S330, performs at its best with these essential replacement parts. Crafted from high-quality, porcelain enameled steel, these deflectors are designed for durability and resistance to dirt. They are built to last, offering a longer service life for your grill. These deflectors are installed directly under the burner tubes. They effectively manage excess grease and drippings, guiding them away from your food and into the disposable drip tray. Each deflector measures 13¼ inch by 8¾ and the set includes 2 pieces. Weighing up to 2.75 pounds, their solid construction ensures reliable performance. While not original OEM parts, these heat deflectors offer excellent quality and condition. You can get these vital grill parts at a very attractive price point. What we like. If your Weber Genesis 300 series grill needs a specific fit, this is a smart choice. Its porcelain enameled steel construction offers good durability and resistance to dirt. You should consider this if you're looking for a quality replacement part at a reasonable price for your front-mounted control Weber Genesis. What people say. The heat plates are durable and have held up well after multiple uses. These plates distribute heat evenly across the grill, preventing hot spots. Easy to install and fit perfectly on my grill model. Number 4. Char-Broil Universal Heat Tent 622-4586. This heat tent is designed to fit a wide range of grill setups. It's perfect for replacing existing heat tents on various burner configurations. Easily adjust its length to fit your grill, from 10 to 18 inches. It also offers a convenient 4-inch width for a secure fit. Keep your grill's burners safe and extend their lifespan. This accessory helps protect them from direct heat and grease. Enjoy more consistent cooking temperatures across your grill. It diffuses heat effectively, preventing hot spots. No need for complicated assembly. This heat tent is ready to install and use right out of the box. What we like. For a versatile and easy-to-use solution, this universal heat tent is a great option. Its adjustable length makes it compatible with a wide range of grills, and it requires no assembly. If you're looking for a simple way to protect your burners and diffuse heat without any hassle, this is the one for you. What people say. The heat plates are a perfect fit for my grill and distribute heat evenly. These heat plates are made of durable material and have significantly improved my grilling experience. Easy to install and they seem to be holding up well after several uses. Number 3. Unicook Heavy Duty Grill Heat Plate Replacement. Tired of uneven heat on your grill? Our heavy-duty heat plates offer an adjustable length, extending from 11.75 to 21 inches. This versatile design ensures a great fit for most outdoor gas grills. Prevent flare-ups and protect your burners from direct flames with these essential grill parts. They distribute heat evenly, enhancing your grilling experience and prolonging the life of your grill. Crafted from heavy-duty, 1.2 mm thick porcelain-coated steel, these plates are built to last. Experience superior durability that stands up to high heat and frequent use. Installation is a breeze with the included upgraded stainless steel M5 bolts and wing nuts. Get your grill back in top shape quickly and easily. If you encounter any issues with missing parts or need help with installation, please don't hesitate to reach out. We're committed to ensuring you have a great grilling experience. Looking for an alternative? A stainless steel version is also available. Click the Unicook button to explore more options for your grilling needs. What we like. If you need a durable and adaptable heat plate for various gas grills, this Unicook model is an excellent pick. The heavy-duty porcelain steel construction ensures longevity, and its adjustable length provides a wide fit range. Consider this if you value robust build quality and the flexibility to fit multiple grill brands. What people say. The heat plates are made of stainless steel and are very durable. They distribute heat evenly across the grill, preventing hot spots. Installation was a breeze, took me less than 5 minutes to replace the old ones. Number 2. Unicook 4-pack Porcelain Grill Heat Plate. Introducing the Unicook 4-pack Porcelain Grill Heat Plate, designed to elevate your grilling. These durable plates are crafted from premium porcelain-coated steel for longevity. Each heat plate measures 14.56 inches, ensuring a precise fit for many popular grill models. They effectively prevent flare-ups and distribute heat evenly, enhancing your food's flavor. Constructed with heavy-duty, 1.2 mm thick porcelain-coated steel, these heat shields are thicker and more durable than many alternatives. They are built to withstand high temperatures and frequent use. Get your grill back in top shape with effortless installation. No tools are required, and the smooth, non-stick surface makes cleaning a breeze. These versatile heat tents protect your grill's burners from direct flame exposure, significantly prolonging their lifespan and ensuring consistent performance. While designed to fit many Nexgrill, Grill Master, and Kenmore models, please verify the dimensions against your original grill heat plates before purchase to ensure compatibility. Unicook offers a variety of sizes and styles to ensure your grill functions like new again. Find the perfect match for your specific needs. What we like. If you have a specific grill model like Nexgrill, Grill Master, or Kenmore and need a reliable replacement, this Unicook heat plate is ideal. Its premium, thick porcelain-coated steel construction offers durability, and it's designed for easy installation and cleaning. Choose this if you prioritize a sturdy, no-fuss replacement for compatible grill models. What people say. The heat plates are made of durable stainless steel, ensuring longevity and resistance to rust. Installation was straightforward, fitting perfectly onto my existing grill model without any modifications. These plates distribute heat evenly across the grill surface, eliminating hot spots and providing consistent cooking results. Number 1. Unicook Adjustable Grill Heat Plates, 4-pack. Introducing our 4-pack of adjustable grill heat plates. These essential parts extend from 11.75 to 21 inches, offering a versatile fit for most gas grills. Crafted from heavy-duty, thick stainless steel, these burner covers are built to last. They are significantly thicker than many aftermarket options, ensuring extended durability for your grill. These flame tamers effectively stop grease from reaching the burners, preventing flare-ups and protecting your grill from rust. They ensure heat is distributed evenly across your cooking grates. Getting your grill back in top shape is simple. No tools are required for installation, and their smooth surface makes cleaning a breeze. Restore your grill to like-new condition without breaking the bank. These replacements offer the same great performance as original parts at a fraction of the cost. Looking for a thoughtful gift? These heat plates are an excellent choice for any barbecue enthusiast, helping them maintain their grill with ease. What we like. For those seeking a premium and long-lasting solution, this adjustable stainless steel heat plate is a top contender. Its heavy-duty construction and adjustable length ensure a great fit and extended grill life. If you're looking for superior durability and effective flare-up prevention for a wide variety of gas grills, this is an excellent investment. What people say. The heat plates are made of durable stainless steel, ensuring longevity and resistance to rust. Installation was straightforward, fitting perfectly onto my existing grill without any modifications. These plates distribute heat evenly across the cooking surface, eliminating hot spots and providing consistent results. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.